testimony. Tonight, only on a powerful edition of the Kelly Pod.
Check your mailbox. You may be one of the hundreds of thousands of Americans getting cancellation letters from health insurers. Hadley Heath is one of them. She works as a health policy analyst in Washington. So what happened when she went to the exchange to get a new policy? Hadley Heath joins us. Nice to see you.
Hi, Greta. Thanks for having me.
First of all, let me ask you the bottom question about whether or not, were you happy with your health insurance?
I was happy with my plan.
All right, so you don't have it now. You got a cancellation notice.
I still have it until my anniversary date, and then it's no longer available.
Okay. What have you tried to do to get insurance?
I tried to go through the exchanges. I went to healthcare.gov. I was redirected to my state-level exchange. I live in Washington, D.C. So at DC HealthLink, I put in my information to try to create an account, which I did, but then the next page gave me a phone number with my reference number and didn't provide me with a reference number.
Some stuff that you couldn't continue to do everything through the website. You got booted to a phone.
A phone number.
Why did you? I thought if this could all be done online. Do you know why you got booted from online to a phone number?
No, I didn't. And the main thing I wanted to do online was to browse the plans to find out who the carriers were, what kind of coverage they might offer, what the deductibles might be, and I couldn't find that information, which was very frustrating. It's not user-friendly or consumer-friendly at all.
All right, so you make a phone call. Do you get that information when you make a phone call?
I didn't get a reference number to give anyone when I called. Maybe they want my social as my identification or something like that, which I was willing to give to the website. But
they wouldn't just give you that information before you give a reference number. You couldn't just say, what are the option plans?
I could put in my income and my age in a cost calculator, which is sort of a generic way to give me an estimate. But even the estimates for the plans with the highest deductibles were much more expensive than the plan that I was buying for myself in the individual market.
What are you paying now?
I pay $113 a month.
And is it? I mean, it's not one of these junk plans. Do you have hospitalization?
I do.
And what else is in your plan? And do you have, what's your
preventative care? I have immunizations. I have X-rays. I have all the basic things that someone might want in a health insurance plan. I have a deductible that I thought was pretty high, $2,700 a year. Okay.
And have you in sort of your investigation, you found anything remotely similar? I realize that you can't really shop because they're not letting you shop, but do you know of any plans that are remotely similar in DC?
Well, the cost calculator told me that my premium would just about double, and my, if I bought the bronze plan, for example, which is the cheapest plan available on the exchange, my deductible would be about $3,500 a year. So that's a higher deductible and a higher premium. I can't believe that that would be better for me or something that I would choose to do on my own. That's why I imagine they have a mandate making this mandatory.
Why do you think yours is going up so high? I mean, you hear some story. The president today said people are getting great deals. It's going down. I hear people saying the things you're saying who come here or email me. I mean, where's the deal?
I think my experience is representative of the experience of what will be millions of people who buy their own health insurance, especially young Americans. I've seen studies that estimate women's premiums might double and young men's might triple. So this is because Obamacare is not really insurance. Obamacare is about redistributing costs, and in this case, it's from younger, healthier people onto people who utilize the healthcare system more.
Would you be satisfied if you could find a comparable program at the comparable price on the exchange? Would that make you? Would you be content then with Obamacare?
That would certainly be a better situation for me, but I'm more insulted by the fact that they're simply taking away my freedom to shop on my own, to go directly to an insurance carrier. Why does there have to be a government middleman between me and the plan I want to choose?
Is there anything to prevent you from going directly to an insurer?
Well, actually in Washington, D.C. there is. In several states there have been state-level laws that basically outlaw the sale or purchase of individual insurance outside of an exchange.
Hadley, good luck, and we'll see what happens. You think you'll ever get through on this?
I don't know. I'm going to explore my options and see what I can do next year.
Well, the magic date, I think, might be December 1st. The Obama administration says this will all be working as of November 30th, so try December 1st.
Yeah, thanks.
Good luck. Anyway, thank you. Our next guest is going to force President Obama to stick to his promise. What is he doing? You're going to find out next.